I got a 2018 Ford Fiesta. We're going to be replacing the air filter. We're going to be taking out, normally there's 4 bolts, but as you can see, this one's missing a bolt there. So we're going to be taking out 3 bolts. Now for us, these are T25, so we're going to be taking those out. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Alright, let's go ahead and start taking those out. It's going to be one right here. Gonna be this one over here. And one more over here. Alright, now that that's out, all we're gonna do now is just simply lift this up, pull over, and right here is our air filter. And now we're gonna grab our new one. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and install the brand new one. It's going to go in like this. We're going to go in the on position. Make sure these bolts are meeting the tread. Alright, and one last one. Alright, and that's how you replace your air filter.